Hello sir, my name is Sabin Khanal and I am from British College, Kathmandu, and the British College is affiliated with Leeds Beckett University. And these are the field and form, and I have filled out my email, surname, first name, student ID and course. The tutor group. My tutor group is Group 2 Duncan. I understand that I must upload my full code to the upload link on my Beckett by the deadline. If I do not upload by the deadline, regardless of the GitHub commits, I will be subjected to a late penalty. I agree to that. Yes. I am recording a YouTube demo showing this form on the screen and showing and explaining my code with each question, and I will submit this form. Yes, I accept that. I understand that if my YouTube demo video is over 15 minutes long, I will have to verify my YouTube account. Yes, I agree to that. I will put chapter makers in my video for each question. Yes, I agree to that. I will read the assignments and instruction before asking question, and answers to how you do before are there. For example, yes, I agree to that. If I have the latest BOOSE program and found in GitHub, dmuller BOOSE and doc the link, and I have checked that I have the latest version of BOOSE deal, see assignments directory. Yes, I agree to that, and let me show in my code. When I run my code, it shows the form, and when I close my form, it will show the BOOSE. As you can see here, it shows the BOOSE, and my BOOSE version is 1.1, which is the latest version. So GitHub username, my GitHub username is K722. What is the link to your repo must be in ASE GitHub Classroom. So my ASE GitHub Classroom repo link is this. I copy this and I paste it over here. Paste link to your documentation site on a GitHub. When clicked, it should show your full documentation. I have created my personal repo, which is public, and where I have hosted GitHub pages for the BOOSE program. Let me show. This is my I have created this, and when I click on the GitHub assembly, it will go to the next page. When I click on this documentation, this goes here. I have all the directory mentioned here. I have all the documentation required for the project, like application cast, application for field, and app browser, and canvas test. So my link is this. I copy this and I paste it over here. So total number of commits by part 2 deadline. So I go to my GitHub, and when I open ASE Classroom, my GitHub is 45 commits. So I'll type like 45. At least 5 more document committed. Yes, I have done more than 5 commits. I have done 45 commits. Updated readme .md with full details. Yes, I have updated my readme. As you can see here, I have updated my name, student ID, and in tutors feedback I have added what I have done. So yes, user interfaces to be used for all the classes where appropriate. So in your code and explain how you have used it. I have used the interfaces in my code as in app canvas, app canvas, iCanvas, and also in app pressure, iPressor. iPressor defines a contract pricing commands and a program which iPressor fulfills. It handles variable assignments and identified its type like int, real, boolean, and etc. It creates a command object using iCommand factory and sets its parameter. It helps in error handling using pressure exception command and others. So for app canvas, as canvas, as you can see here, app canvas define a contract for drawing canvas. It sets a command and properties for the interacting with a canvas. It helps in drawing operations like drawing to x, drawing to y, and others. So I have done this. Also unit test for all my classes. So in the code, so in my code, when I go to the test and click on run all tests, as you can see, it is being build succeeded, and my 133 code is being tested, and it shows the test run finished, and my all tests are green and is successful. Unit text documented with XML comments clearly showing its purpose. So in your code, XML document, I have done XML document in all of my code, as XML document are for the classes to be better, easier, and understandable. It is for person for improve code readability and facilitates collaboration. So I have done it. Yes. Unit test run and pass. Show them running in the test framework, giving all the green ticks. As I have already shown in my unit test for all the classes, I have already shown this. Design patterns. Factory design pattern used for command generation. Show it in your code and explain how it works. I have done the factory design pattern. So in my code, it is app command factory. As you can see in app command factory, this is my app command factory. This code helps create like different command objects based on string input, instead of manually creating each command. And I use app command factory class to handle the creation. So if I type circle, the factory creates to my circle. Creates to my circle. And if I type move to, it creates move to command. The command pattern is also used because each command like my circle or my rectangle is its own object with specific behavior, making it easier to manage different action. You could also use patterns like Islington to make sure only one stance of the factory exists, or strategy to change how commands are executed. Additional design pattern. So additional design patterns, show any other design patterns and explain what are they. Yes, I have done the additional design pattern, and it is composite pattern. So a composite pattern allows you to handle like a group of objects and individual objects in the same way, making it easy to work with things like folders and files in one structure, as you can see in my code. So composite pattern. So like composite pattern. So composite pattern also used for loops, and mainly it is related with the loops. Implementation details. Replacing in class, showing it running. BOOSE example program to variable, one restricted int boots, and put an image of it running in the same directory as in the BOOSE program. So the program running and show your code. So I open my GitHub repository, and I go to my BOOSE example, and I open my variable unrestricted ints. So my unrestricted ints command is here. I just go and copy the code, and I go to my Visual Studio Code and run the code. When I run the code, the form shows up, and in the form box I put the code and run it, and it shows the output of my running code. So running code, yes, I have done it. Paste the link to the image file in your repo. Leave all the links fields blank if you have answered. No, I have the emo, and I have put in my GitHub repository. So unrestricted int, yes, as you can see, it is the same photo as I previously displayed in my output, and this is the repo link. So replaced real class, yes, I have done it, so I agree to this. So it running BOOSE example program to variables, one unrestricted real.boose, and put an image of it running in the same directory as BOOSE program. So the program running and show your code. So I go to my GitHub and unrestricted real. So my unrestricted real, so sorry, my unrestricted real code is here. I go and copy, and I go to my form, and I have to clear my previous form, and I put the clear command, and it clears it. And when I put the code, it displays the output. So in my GitHub repository, unrestricted real test image, yes, it is showing the same image. So I copy it, and I paste in my repo here. So replaced array class. So it running BOOSE example program two variables, one unrestricted array.boose, put an image of it running in the same directory as the BOOSE program. So the program running and show your code. One unrestricted array. So I go to my GitHub, I go to unrestricted array. So unrestricted array, I go here and I just copy the command, and I open my form, and I have to clear my previous command with clear, and when I type the clear and run it, it just clear everything. And I will paste the new command and run it, it will display it. So so my unrestricted array command png is shown here. It is the same one as I shown. So I just copy it, and I copy it and I done it, so I just paste it over here. So now if, while, and for. While working unrestricted, so it running BOOSE example programs 3LF and loops, one unrestricted while.boose, put an image of it running in the same directory as the BOOSE program. So the program running and show your code. So 3LF loops, one unrestricted while.boose. So I have to close these two variable. I open the 3LF loops and I go to unrestricted while. so unrestricted while text. This is my unrestricted while text. I go and copy, and I go to my form, and I clear my previous command with clear. It clears it, and I paste the command and run it. It displays the output of my command. And unrestricted while command png. Yeah, it is the same image, so I copy its link and go to my form. Yes, I have just done it right now, so I just paste it over here. So for as first working unrestricted, so it running. BOOSE example programs 3LF and loops. Unrestricted first BOOSE. Put an image of it running in the same directory as the BOOSE program. So the program running and show your classes. I have done it. Yes, sorry about the no. So I go to my here and unrestricted for. So unrestricted for command text. I go and copy, and I go to my form. I have to clear my behavior command with clear, and I type the clear, it clears it, and I paste it, and it shows the command. Oh, I have done it clear. I do it one more time. Clear and run, and it shows. So the image is unrestricted for command test image. Yes, it is the same image. So I go to the repository, I copy it, and I paste it. For ifs working unrestricted, show it running. BOOSE example program 3LF and loops 1 unrestricted.BOOSE. Put an image of it running in the same directory as the BOOSE program. Show the program running and show your code. Yes, I have done it. So unrestricted IFS 3LF loop unrestricted IFS. Unrestricted IFS. Yes, so I have done it. Unrestricted command text. I go and copy it with copy, and I go to my form, I clear it, and I run it, and let me check in my GitHub. Unrestricted if command test. Yeah, it is the same image, so I go and copy the link, and I go and paste it. Else working unrestricted. Else will work without restriction, so you will have to show an explanation how you do it. So I go to my GitHub and open unrestricted while command, and I copy. Yes, I copy it, and I paste in my form. Yes, it shows here. And I go to my GitHub and copy it, and I paste in my form. It shows. So I go to here and copy the repository link. So yes, I have done it, and I put the link. So yes, I have done it. Replace BOOSE method class. So it running. BOOSE example program 4 method, and put an image of it running in the same directory as the BOOSE program. So the program running and show your if class. So for method so I go to my unrestricted method command and copy the code. Unrestricted method command, I copy the code, go to my form, I clear it, and when I run it, it shows the command output. So as you can see, the output image png here. So I paste over here. Have you done anything that is additional and substitutional, that is not just more of the same but something challenging, such as web version, or just a different type of output such as text-based graphics, or added other base commands that do something programming, none other graphical shapes, etc. Replace browser program, store program, done anything from scratch but use proper extensible structure, interfaces, dependency injection, etc. I have not done that, so no. Describe it in here, so what it does and how it does in your code, be as through a description. I have not done it, so none. AI used, I have not used AI in my code. Library use, none. Standard library. Any other comment? It was wonderful and exciting. Exciting studying the ASE. ASE. Yes, I now understand that I must upload my code to my Beckett. I understand if I don't submit my code before the deadline to my Beckett without agreed mitigation, then I will receive a late penalty. I must submit this form. You will receive a message from here. The response has been recorded. Please read the instruction on my Beckett and see the flexible hand in the policy. It's all in the administrator folder. Yes, thank you.